The kind of life where God won't make you live. Now the one will be like say get balance between the spiritual and the physical one. And that one they call fulfilled life. Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family will also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in to what we have. This now Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Sunday, wey be the 26th of February 2023. Our topic today say balancing the physical and the spiritual. Our Bible reading they come from the book of Galatians chapter 5 from verse 16 to 25. Also, our memory verse they come from 3 John chapter 2, where tell us say, my beloved, my desire for you be say you go prosper and you go be in good health, even as your soul they prosper. Make we enter the main message. Many people they live life where they below the standard where God create for them because they don't know how to balance their physical life and their spiritual life. Many Christians they do so spiritual thing. They pray, they study their Bible, they be better ogbonge workers for inside church. They go evangelism and plenty wonderful things where they do. But they ignore things like hard work for where you for the work. They ignore the need to eat healthy food and the need to build good connection with their family members. At the end of the day, they go dey vex with the way their life be, and they go dey just dey say, God, you know if you just use magic, they just make everything dey okay. Why you dey do everything wey God expect you to do to dey spiritually fit? Make you not forget say you still need to dey physically fit as well. For inside Galatians chapter 6 verse 7, God tell us say, may we not deceive ourselves. Oh, you know if you mock God, anything wey person sow, and that time the person dey reap. That means say if you neglect your health, not dey surprised when you call dey fall, you call dey sick, dey sick. If you disregard your wife or your husband and your children, naturally you go reap disregard from them as well. If you dey show lack of diligence on your workplace, you know dey serious for your work. Proverbs chapter 6 verse 10 to 11 tell us say now poverty go follow. Make you not forget say as you dey sow for spiritual, you go reap am o. The same way be say you go reap wetin you sow for the physical. Our memory verse of today tell us say God wish for us now for us to prosper, for us to dey for good health, and for us to get spiritual growth. The case of many people, they put all their attention for the physical, they don't come neglect the spiritual. It dey however worse, because for such people, they go begin to do fire brigade approach. Wahala your boss, they go just find they want to do fasting and prayer for that specific problem. And because of that fire brigade approach, they feel not get the kind answers they want they find. Because some kind things where they require prayer, the answer for that kind of prayer they come from that kind of relationship will be like say papa and pikin they get. If you get that kind of relationship with God, you will get the answers to your prayers. Matthew chapter 15 verse 26 now also tell us this one. The kind of life where God want make you live, now the one will be like say get balance between the spiritual and the physical one. One will be like say you go live fulfilled life here on earth, and then you go spend eternity for heaven when you come up for this earth. That one now be they call well balanced life. Now that kind of life you supposed to dey seek to live as a Christian. Our reflection for today be say you dey live balanced life both spiritually and physically. Think about am. Now, Pastor E.A. Adeboye, when be the general overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, now him write this Open Heavens daily devotional. God bless you.